I've got this point, so where I'm coming in, I can check this one straight away, okay? Because remember, we're thinking no one's going to just hit in single kind of shots. As the first point I'm coming in, boom. There's mine, we spoke about the reference point, and you see it in a lot of martial arts, they have that. It's universal, okay? Just to kind of take this out of the way. So that's the first one, okay? The second one, as you're coming in, you can knock out the bicep. One aspect of this art is we call it ricochet striking, so it's boom, it's hitting that energy. It's like a plyometric energy that's coming in, and then straight away that energy is exploding, bouncing off again, rather than it being it's supposed to be light, and at the last minute, remember that point on a whip, well, it's only that snap, that return, that's causing this recoil that is going to give you the crack on the whip. It's this motion, okay? This motion that we're looking at, yeah? All the way. So, with that in mind, we have one, there's one option that you've got there, okay? Two, right across on the bicep here, okay? Three, like so, where you're coming in. Then he's coming in with the 1-2, okay? So, he's coming in. Now, I've already got my hand in position here. Now, if I do this, okay, and you're just turning it, okay? Again, if I do this, boom, then he's going to come in straight away. I'm going to walk straight into it. So, I'm tucked up. It's even hard for him to punch because I've shut space down straight away. So he might want to turn this into an elbow perhaps, because it's a shorter kind of range of movement. He's not going to come when I'm quite close to hit me a strike. This might automatically just come into an elbow there, okay? So we see, let's take it to a jab first of all. So 1-2, just to get 1-2. So you're coming in, I'm moving in. The first one I want is here, and just to attack the knee straight down. Now, I'm not bothered about follow-ups for the time being, okay? I know he can then follow on sweeping, and we can do a 1-for-1 kind of drill, but let's just take that as one option, okay? He's coming in from here. This one, this energy is coming straight in, just literally, just look at it, drive it in. Or, there's a separate option I've got there, 1, 2, boom. There's a knee coming in, that's a separate option, okay? Now, I'm not looking to do too many things, it's just, where is that energy taking me? Boom. Third one, down, okay? Now, it might have me here, okay, but we're looking just to get this break in. I don't even need to take him down with that. I can come in and I can take him this way.